Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I want to make these. They can either be pockets or just side pockets or just decoration for the edge of a page. I was looking through all my dies. I have lots and lots of these sets of different shapes for my dies and from my card making days, and they're just lying in where I store them on these magnetic sheets. And I thought, how can I use all my dies without them just sitting there gathering dust? So I was looking through them, and I've got the usual squares, circles, whatnot. I thought, oh, hexagons, maybe I'll put them to use and make some sort of thing for my junk journal. So they do look really nice if we just go to a page, and I'll just show you. So it would just go on to the edge of a page like that, and that could either just decorate the page, or you could obviously leave it open for a, obviously it needs to go this way because I've put words on it, and it can be a pocket. The other one as well can be as a shorter version, and I think I've got a smaller page back here somewhere. Think maybe not, but anyway, you get the gist. I'm sure there was a shorter page. No, it's lost. Anyway, do them any size you like. I have done a variety. I've used that size for that one there and the bigger size for that one. They're backed onto Amazon packaging paper that come in the parcels, and so let's make a few together. They're really easy. Obviously we just die cut, and then what you have to do is half a few so that like the edges will match up, like kind of like a patchwork quilt. So that's all you do. You just need to cut some and half some. So I've got some spare there, we'll put over there. So the first one is going to be similar to this one, but the other way round. And all I've added to the basic patchwork hexagon piece is a sticker. And this one's got a butterfly, this one's got some flowers and a little sentiment there, and that. So they're super easy. So we'll just leave those two there. And really, this is just brown packaging paper, like I said. And it's just a case of sticking them down the way that you want them. And I thought I would leave one edge as a zigzag, otherwise it just looks like a square thing, and not that you've gone to the bother of doing zigzags. So I'm just going to do the two big ones first, and that gives me an idea of where to put the side ones on. Just leaving the tiniest little gap. I found that works better if you leave the tiniest little gap. So there we are. And this little half bottom one just gives it a flat edge. So I was telling you yesterday that we saw Batman stuff all getting ready to do some filming. Well, it turns out, because it was on the news, that it's not Batman, it's Batgirl. Well, I did wonder, because I know that they filmed Batman a while ago, and I thought, oh well, maybe they're back to do some finishing touches or a bit that they've missed, but no. It's a brand new film. Batgirl. So I don't know if this is Batman's, I don't know the story, whether it's Batman's sister or Batman's daughter, or I have no clue. But that's the film they were making. Right, so that's all stuck down. And all I want to do is trim the edges. So I'm just going to use the trimmer and go down. And I want to go really right up close to those ones there, to that edge, and then again the bottom edge. And this top edge, and then we'll just use our scissors to go in and out of the hexagonal space. And then we can have fun decorating it. So these are all just scraps or book pages, map pages, music pages, all little bits from the books that I've got that are just used up. So there we are. So we want to put a sticker. Let me get I've got my words and I've got my little tray of stickers here. So we want to find something that's going to be nice and add a little bit, but I don't want to cover up the fact that I've gone to the bother of doing hexagonals. That's a nice one because it picks up the yellow there from that book. That will do for that one. And let me find something. I've got flowers and I've got butterflies. Here's a maybe. That one I've already tried. Let's see if there's I prefer that one there, but if there's a yellow butterfly, I don't want to decorate it too much because, like I say, I don't want to take away from it being a hexagonal shaped thing. So I think we'll go with that. Decisions. I think we'll go with that. Well, here's a nice bright one. Yeah, I like that one. Right, let's get them down and then we can choose a nice sentiment or some words. Oops. I'll just get the glue stick out for that. Right. Let's see. Live in the moment. That's a nice one. There, and with this going the opposite way, that means I can have them, and in fact they go together quite well because the butterflies are the same colour. Let me get my journal back. Find a couple of plain pages. And so we could have one there and one there. Yeah, that would be nice. Of course, you would maybe stencil in the back first or decorate the back somehow. Right, so I've got another one here which is using the little, it truly is like a jigsaw puzzle. So they go like that, and when we trim it we'll chop a little corner off of them. Right, I'm going to go and glue them down. Okay, that's the little one with the one with the little hexagons all glued down, and I have chosen my little sticker and my butterfly. So we'll just get them on, and while I was sticking that down I was pondering over machine stitching round the edges, and then I thought, do I want to go round just the straight edges, or do I want to take my chances with the up and down here? And I don't think my skills with the sewing machine would be good enough to go up and down all those turns. Oh, I don't know. I do like to add some stitching to things. I think it does add quite a lot to the finished piece, but would it look odd if I just stitched round 3 of the sides? I don't think it would actually. I think it would look okay around 3 of the sides, because chances are they're going to be pockets anyway, and that really sort of signifies the pocket. Let's see. Just because. Let's have that. Just because. There we are. So we've got 4. Yeah, pretty good. I think I'll go and machine stitch them. Okay, it was blue thread that was in the machine, and I thought that might be quite nice to stick with the blue, but now I'm not so sure because it doesn't show up that well, but I think it shows up enough. It shows up enough, I think. So I'm quite pleased with these. So I've got 2 side pockets like that match. One big one and one going that way, across the way. Yeah, so anyway, something a wee bit different maybe if you want to give it a try if you've got dies, and if you don't, well, as you could make a template. You could make a template and draw a hexagonal and then just draw around a few. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go now. So thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.